Hey girl, and welcome back to my channel. Today I was getting ready and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna show them how I apply my falsies. So these are the falsies that I use. I use the Adele Wispies in 113. Personally, I don't know how to place, I know it sounds crazy, but I don't know how to place the falsies on top of my lashes. I have tried and I've tried and I've tried to teach myself, and then just the way they come out, like I don't like the way it looks on top when it looks all, it just looks gross to me on top. I have not perfectioned it. I don't know how to do it at all, but I have taught myself how to apply my lashes underneath. So I thought since today I'm gonna be starting a whole new lash, I might as well show you guys how I do it. So when I pull off my lashes, I pull them off from the back, because have you ever pulled them from the front and you fuck them up and it pulls off? Oh, man, that sucks. So when I pull them off, I start from the back. So when I do my lashes, I don't use the whole strap, to be completely honest. So what I do is right here on the third one, I cut it. So right after this like lonely one, I cut that. So this I don't use, to be honest. I just use this much of the lash. So I do that to both of them because I just like how natural it looks. That, and I don't like, you know, when you place your lash on and it starts to poke you in the corner. I don't like that either. So after I've cut both of my lashes, I'm going to apply the lash glue on top of the band. So when I apply it, I do like a good amount on top. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so once my lash becomes tacky, it'll look like that, to where it's sticky, but it's not sticky, kind of still white. So then I grab my eyelid and I line it in the middle, kind of towards the end, and I guide it with my pinky. So my pinky, and I guide it to where I want it to be, and I grab this and I just push it in. And then I grab this part, I guide that, and I just push it. And then just bang it. I know this sounds, it probably looks kind of creepy with the fact that I'm like, but I've been putting my lashes underneath for so long. I mean, I'm kind of just used to it. And then I know this sounds super weird. Oh my gosh, you guys are probably gonna be like, what the fuck? But what I do is I lick like this, because the tack doesn't stick to it, and I brush my teeth. So gross, my own saliva. I lick it because how it's damp, and so I just use, I'm being raw with you guys. This is how I really put them on. You gotta do what you gotta do, girl. And then I just push it like up, if that makes sense. And so this way, like they kind of attach to my lashes. And then I go through and I just pinch them with my lashes. So if you noticed, like I cut it off so the front of it is like more natural, because for one, I don't like when it pokes the inside, and for two, I just think it looks so much more natural with me sticking them underneath than like having to like having it all across. I don't know why, but since I don't like have the lashes all the way to the front, my lashes are pretty full in the front right here naturally. So I go through with some mascara of your choice, whatever, you know. And I go through and I just apply mascara to the front of it. And then I apply mascara to the bottom. And then I just close my eyes. Kinda. And then they just look more, I don't know, normal. That is how I apply my falsies. Now I know this is gonna be crazy because a lot of people place them like under, like on top, and I don't know how to do that. I've tried, I really have. I've tried to stick them like on top, and I've tried to teach myself. I don't know if it's just the way I do it, but I just don't like the way they look. They just look really weird. And so I just prefer to just stick them on the bottom, like underneath. That is how I place my falsies on. I'm sorry that it's not really like a deep type of explanation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this small short video. So if you like videos like this, hit that subscribe button, smash that notification so you are notified every time your girl posts another video. Thank you.